Hundreds of the Free Fire fans has been requesting us to create a video on the sensation of present time DJ Alok, and we were lucky enough to present this video especially for Free Fire fans. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Many of us maybe don't know who DJ Alok is or don't know too much about him, because DJ Alok was never got viral or gained a worldwide recognition like Marshmello or Alan Walker, but he won the hearts of the young generations all over the world. Especially who play Free Fire games must know DJ Alok very well, and the reason behind that, DJ Alok joined Free Fire in its global partnership program. So now Free Fire can uses DJ Alok's music, and in return Free Fire is promoting DJ Alok internationally. So here both sides are benefiting. For instance, there is a character namely by DJ Alok on Free Fire game with some special power it carries. For that, Free Fire gamers are always try to play with that character. So DJ Alok gained his popularity in the games for his special power it offers, and in the real world he gained his popularity for his best musics. Although Free Fire is a game produced by a Singaporean company, but its owner is Yodong Lee, who was born in China, but now he is the citizen of Singapore, and he is considered one of the 20 top rich businessmen of the country with his net worth $2.4 billion, and he earned this vast amount of money in just the last 10 years from his online game company Garena. For example, Free Fire also released under Garena company's production, and Joding Forrest Lee is also called as a new tech billionaire of Asia. Okay, now let's know about DJ Alok's life journey briefly. DJ Alok was born in Brazil in 1991, and now he is 28 years old. An interesting thing is that his brother Bhaskar was also born in the same day. They are twin brothers, and both of them are famous DJ of Brazil. But DJ Alok is more famous than his brother, but sometimes they still perform together. You may be wondering hearing their name as Indian accent, because it has a story behind it. In Alok's child age, his parents visited India and they meet a Hindu spiritual guru, Rajneesh alias Osho, who gave the name to Alok as well as his brother as Bhaskar, and that way they got Indian names. Both of the brothers become DJ because of their parents, and their parents are also most famous DJ of Brazil, as their father Juarez Petrillo's stage name is DJ Swarab, and their mother name is DJ Akanta. Her Akanta name is also indicated by same Indian guru. And there is a long story becoming their parents DJ. In 1995, Alok's parents went to Norway for find a job when Alok was only 4 years old, and they did not have any valid work permit or papers. So they were living and working secretly, and they supposed to run from here to there, and finally they have settled in a abandoned building where also lives some underground DJ or musician. Probably they also come from other countries to Norway and working secretly in nightclubs or other places. And that is where Alok's parents introduced to the music making and DJ for the first time. Then in the year 2000, when Alok aged about 10 years old, his parents come back to Brazil from Norway. Then DJ Alok's parents started to produce a DJ party called Universo Paralelo in the sea beach of Brazil for the first time, which starts on December 27 and ends on January 3rd every year. And it's a 7 days party. They host this event every year by their family traditionally. However, it was not too hard for them to learn DJ music, because as you know their parents are already DJ, and they started learning DJ music from their parents since child age, and when they were 15 years old they can produce and manage a DJ party on themselves without their parents' help. Whatever, beside learning DJ, they also started to learn composing music, and their first composed music that created in 2009 was Logica. In 2010, when they were 19 years old, each got separated and started working individually. As you know, their parents were famous DJ in Brazil, and they have also earned some reputation by themselves as a youngest DJ. So they were having invitations from many locations of Brazil to perform DJ. And this way, DJ Alok began to perform in concerts alone without parents and his brother. And beside that, in 2011, he opened an official YouTube channel on his own name Alok and started uploading his DJ musics. And this is his first uploaded music on YouTube. Thus, he pursued a great honor performing in many concerts till 2014. He became one of the top Brazilian DJ. Then came his turning point in life in 2016. This year, he released Hear Me Now song with Bruno Martini, and this song got huge popularity worldwide. With this song, he built a fan base outside Brazil for the first time. And some of his famous tracks are in 2017 Never Let Me Go, in 2018 Innocent, and I Miss You. Thus, in 2018, DJ Alok was ranked 11th best DJ in the world. But Alok did not get popularity enough to cover a country like India. Means now Alok is getting recognized by Indians too and from everywhere in the world. But before 2018, he was not that much popular. Then in 2019, Alok joined with Free Fire in its global partnership program. Then Free Fire uses his Bhale Bhale music in the game. And also added his character to the Free Fire. And then finally Alok gained fast popularity to the young generations of the world who plays Free Fire. Thus, a son of Brazilian DJ's family revealed himself as a DJ of the whole world. Now some of his personal life. In 2019, he got married with Romana Novavis, and recently he shared a video on social media with a newborn baby. According to last update in 2020, his net worth is $5 million US. So that's all about DJ Alok, and in next video we'll know about famous DJ Marshmello.